Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are from the Master of Management program at Adira Saraswara Sanjaya University in Bandung. Today, we would like to present our literature study entitled Promotive and Preventive Effort Against Non-Communicable Disease, a literature study on primary health services. This study was conducted by Rian Al-Fajri, myself, Rifo Andini Wulandari, Salma Ainun Halis, and Rian Andriani. Background and objective. The background of this study comes from the fact that non-communicable disease, or NCD, such as hypertension, diabetes, cardiovascular disease, cancer, and chronic respiratory disease, are now the leading causes of death worldwide, including in Indonesia. According to the WHO, more than 1% of global death are caused by NCD. In Indonesia, the prevalence of hypertension has reached 34.1% and diabetes affects around 10.9% of adults over 15 years old. These conditions are strongly influenced by unhealthy lifestyle, including smoking, physical inactivity, poor diet, and lack of regular health checks. Therefore, this study aims to examine promotive and preventive efforts to combat NCDs, focusing on the role of primary health care services in Indonesia. It also seeks to evaluate how community-based prevention strategies can effectively reduce the risk and burden of NCDs.
Okay, next slide. Research of methodology. The study employs systematic literature review or SLR method, guided by the PRISMA framework to ensure transparency, consistency, and reliability. The inclusion criteria we as follow. Article published between 2020 and 2024 focus on promotive preventive intervention for NCDs in Indonesia. Written in English or Bahasa Indonesia, and published for NCDs and published in peer-reviewed academic journal. We use several databases like Google Scholar, Garuda, Neliti, and Institutional Repository. Out of 1,027 retrieved articles, only 6 studies meet all inclusion criteria and we consider most relevant in-depth analysis. Next. Next slide. Result and discussion. The finding from the 6 selected study revealed that promotive preventive strategy are effective in reducing NCD's prevalence in Indonesia. The most frequently implemented strategies include first, health education and community empowerment, for example, to the CERDIC program, which standard for check healthy regular, eliminate cigarette smoke, be physical active, maintain a healthy diet, get enough rest, and manage stress. Second, early screening program at primary health center and post-bindu PTM, focusing in blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol checks. The third, smoke-free zone or KTR policy, which help to reduce smoking-related disease. Fourth, community campaigns such as Geber Pekan PTM that promote healthy lifestyle nationwide. However, several challenges we are identified. Limit human resource in healthy funding, inconsistent program implementation, and low public participant, especially in rural area. The finding indicate the stronger intersectoral collaboration and community engagement are essential for sustainable NCD prevention.
Okay, next slide. Conclusion and implication. The conclude this study confirms that promotive and preventive approaches at the primary healthcare level are crucial to reducing the burden of non-communicable disease in Indonesia. Integrating health education, early screening, and supportive public policy contribute significantly to improving public health and quality of life. The implications are as follows: like first, it strengthens the capacity of primary healthcare providers through continuous training in health promotion and screening. And second, engage multi-sectoral collaboration involving the education, agriculture, and media sector. Third, implement regulatory monitoring and evaluation to ensure accountability and program sustainability. And the fourth, increase government policy and funding support to make NCD prevention a national priority. Next slide. In this closing, this literature study emphasizes the vital role of primary healthcare as the first line of defense against non-communicable disease. Community-based interventions such as the CERDIC campaign and Posbindu PTM have proven to be effective and scalable, especially when supported by adequate funding, storing policies, and active community participation. The conclude is our presentation. Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.